Planning a meeting can often be a stressful task, especially when the objectives are complex. However, by incorporating 12 essential steps, you can ensure the success of any meeting. Here is a summary of the key steps. 1. Meeting purpose. Clearly define the purpose of the meeting, whether it's for a project, event, or other initiatives. This clarity will guide the rest of your planning process. 2. Meeting resources. Identify necessary resources such as the venue, tables, chairs, lectern, and electronics. Also, consider the space required, food, beverages, and any participant-specific needs. 3. Participants. Ensure the right people are invited based on the meeting's purpose. Including stakeholders from all levels can lead to more comprehensive solutions. 4. Date and time. Choose a date and time that align with the urgency and importance of the meeting. Make sure to consider the availability of participants. 5. Venue and meeting length. Select a suitable venue that matches the size and resource needs of your meeting. Allocate enough time for all activities, discussions, and presentations. 6. Meeting objectives. List the topics, activities, or presentations to be covered, and share these objectives with participants, preferably in an agenda. 7. Desired outcomes. Set clear goals for the meeting, using them to guide discussions and activities toward productive results. 8. Agenda. For project-based or problem-solving meetings, create a detailed agenda. It should include the date, time, purpose, objectives, and list of participants. 9. Participant roles. Assign roles such as facilitator, timekeeper, and minute taker to keep the meeting organized and efficient. 10. Ground rules. Establish guidelines for behavior, such as staying on topic, avoiding interruptions, and ensuring respectful dialogue to maintain a productive environment. 11. Team building activities. For unfamiliar groups, icebreakers like 2 truths and a lie help create a comfortable atmosphere and foster collaboration. 12. Meeting minutes. Record key details such as participants, discussions, and action items. Distribute minutes after the meeting to ensure accountability. By following these steps, meetings will be more organized, productive, and ultimately successful. Additionally, keeping a well-structured meeting journal, such as the Connect Meeting Minutes Journal, can simplify the process of tracking action items and outcomes.